Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Venturist. Alright, today's a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing a room tour. My room's right there. And I just want to be able to look back on this video and see what my room was like and how my setup was and how I was making videos. And yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, so this is my bedroom door right here. Alright, now let's go in. Okay, so this is my bedroom. This is what it looks like when you're first walking in. Alright, so start right here. This is my little wall right here by my door. Just has 6 foam panels for, noise reduction. It's got a little iPad right here that's mounted to the wall, and it's got a little charging cable that goes up and along. But yeah, this is my little doorway. Next to that, we have a little wall. Got keys right there. It's a little thing for my Wi-Fi. Then I got a bunch of cards along the top, posters, my whole entire closet right there. More posters, another part of the wall. Got a big window right here. And below that, I got my my tortoise's mansion thing. It's pretty large. Just got a little key lamp right here. That'd be warming up him in the night. Got a little stuff going on. Got a little cage. And then he's got his little area. This is his basking area. He's got a little basking light. He's just chilling in there. And then he got some plants right here in the window. Then next to this, I got some little turtle supplies, cables, cases, random stuff. Little backdrops for my videos. A lot of my fake Airpods and headphones I review and stuff like that. This right here is a 2012 MacBook Pro 15-inch, and that's 2011 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Both got 8 gigs of RAM. Yeah, you probably don't care. And I got my softbox right here, just a little thing to help light my videos up. Works pretty well. Got a little fancy thermometer back here. Got my power bank, smartwatch, Amazfit Stratos right there, carbon fiber body, pretty beast. And I got a little notebook right here. Got a bunch of clamps to help me with whatever project I need. On the top here, I got a lamp that works when you touch it or whatever. Got a Google Home Mini. Got a stained glass fighter jet, a bunch of other things from all sorts of places. A lot of turtles. Got a little turtle collection, Got the mini Thor's hammer right there. And then I got more foam on the back, a bunch of boxes for products I've reviewed, or just got at least. Then I've got products, a bunch of videos I'm working on right here on this desk. This is where I shoot everything pretty much. All the unboxings and everything. It's my main tripod that I use for that. I got a little trash Gorilla Pod right there. I'm shooting with my main Gorilla Pod in my hand right now. And yeah, got a little chair, little folding chair. Don't have one of those big chairs people sit on. Got storage down here, bunch of little drawers for whatever I want. More storage. And then going over here, I've got my watch collection. Well, yeah, I'm still working on it. I got my Seiko Recraft Solar on right now. Not bad watch. And then I got my 3D printer in the back right here. Another big softbox light that I use to light my videos. Below that, I got my little phone collection. It's usually not out in my room, out like this, but I just wanted to flex on you guys, so. Alright, here we go. This is a iPod Nano, iPod 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPhone 10s Max clone. Yeah, it's not the real one. It's that fake one I got, Can't really, I don't really have a real one yet. Behind that, I got a little notebook. More windows, 2 big windows with fancy blinds over them. Got a charging cable, my Galaxy S8 right here. Then I got pens. Got my double wireless charging pad with my 2 AirPods on there. Got my Pebble Watch Gen 2 with HR. This is my twin bed right here. You know, yeah. And above that, we got a bunch of pictures I've drawn, lots of watches. You know, I like watches a lot. And yeah, I'm just gonna take off this fisheye or this wide angle lens real quick. Got a bunch of goals, all my pictures and stuff. Pretty cool. Yep, I would show you all these addresses below, but they're all mine, so don't need to do that. Then I got my first dollar ever made on YouTube. I got more pictures, got a bunch of hats, and then more foam pads down here. Little storage container right here. You know, stuff for school. You know, school's starting up. Brutal. I got my fancy armoire thing that just towers over. And then I got a bunch of collection of Legos. Yeah, they're a little dusty. They haven't been messed with in a while, but yeah, I got a pretty solid collection if I say so myself. Below I got some products that I've already made videos on. I just don't have to use for them. I'm just chilling there. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Who knows? More stuff. And yeah, it's pretty much my whole room / studio. That's where I make all my videos. And yeah, this is what it just looks like from here. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some major modifications soon, so I just wanted to document this to show what I've been working on or where I've been working at. Yeah, so this is my studio / bedroom. Alright, so that is my room and studio tour where I make all my videos and stuff. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to check out some of my other videos, and peace.